Welcome back to Digital Wealth Tips. In today's video, we'll explore an exciting topic: direct sales, an innovative business model that allows companies to connect directly with customers and gain numerous advantages. Direct sales represents a complete shift from traditional selling methods, eliminating intermediaries and empowering companies to take control of product distribution and services. It's a path towards building strong customer relationships and achieving a greater market share. Before we delve deeper into the topic, let's highlight some key advantages of the direct business model. First, companies have greater control over marketing, sales, and distribution, resulting in better performance tracking and growth stimulation. Second, avoiding high intermediary margins enables more competitive pricing for customers. Third, direct interaction with customers provides feedback and allows for product and service customization based on their needs. There are various examples of direct sales. For instance, companies can establish online stores to directly sell their products to consumers without intermediaries. Additionally, you can organize direct sales campaigns, promotions, and events to directly communicate with your target audience and build customer relationships. Success in direct sales requires careful planning and execution. First, define clear goals and strategies to attract new customers and retain existing ones. Consider ways to stand out in the crowd and grab the attention of your target audience. Building trust with customers is crucial for success in direct sales. Be transparent in your communications, provide reliable information about your products and services, and care for your customers' needs. Offer excellent customer support to create loyal customers. It's essential to segment your customers to better understand them and personalize your marketing messages. Identify different customer groups with distinct needs and preferences and tailor your approach to each group. Regularly monitor the performance of your direct sales efforts. Analyze results and feedback, and adjust your strategy to improve outcomes. Flexibility is key in direct sales to adapt to market changes and customer needs. Direct sales provides companies with a unique opportunity to connect directly with customers and build sustainable business relationships. Through careful planning, trust building, and result tracking, you can achieve success in this innovative business model. Thank you for watching this video.